Welcome to my channel. Troubleshooting Orbi Flashing White Light Issue. 1. Check power supply. Ensure your Orbi router is properly plugged in and the power outlet works. 2. Restart Orbi system. Power cycle the Orbi by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. 3. Check firmware update. A flashing white light may indicate a firmware update. Wait for it to complete. 4. Internet connection check. Verify your modem is connected and has an active internet connection. 5. Reconnect cables. Ensure all cables, Ethernet, power, are securely connected. 6. Reset the Orbi. If the light persists, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. 7. Check for overheating. Ensure your Orbi is placed in a well-ventilated area to avoid overheating. 8. Check router satellite sync. Resync the satellite by pressing the sync button on both devices. 9. Log into Orbi dashboard. Access the Orbi dashboard to check for status messages or errors. 10. Contact support. If all else fails, reach out to Netgear support for further assistance. Thanks for watching.